Okay, here's the mystery of this little board. This is a replacement for that tube, which there's a very expensive tube in this thing, which is hard to get. So this is a tube right here, and you can just tell by how it looks, it's a kind of a special purpose tube. So I hear this tube cannot be gotten anywhere. It's really hard to find. So it looks like somebody made a board to replace the tube and this does the upper lower sideband, I think, stuff. So, how do you like that? Looks like someone tried to fix a board, and it's called a APB 1650. So, again, this is all ancient history. These are radios that have come and gone. People who own these are probably dead. I'm just kind of rooting around with historical artifacts, and it's late, so that's about it. Enough of this stuff. Tomorrow is another day. Have a nice one. Take care.